How's my hair? Is it not too messy? Doesn't look like I'm disheveled. See, we usually start with a goof off, but I just can't think of. Maybe like I go to sit down and I miss the chair and I fall right on my butt. Hey, Paula. Yeah, listen. When we started SkyWatch, we envisioned building the Twilio for satellite data. Imagine a developer platform that makes it easy for anyone in the world to integrate satellite data into their application or their workflow. However, we ran into a problem very early on. You see, the Earth observation infrastructure was far more immature than we anticipated. And poor infrastructure leads to poor developer experiences. In the meantime, we noticed that the vast majority of people showing up at our door were in fact end users, not developers. And because we're a business that likes to generate revenue, we've welcomed thousands of those end users as customers onto our platform. And they span dozens of verticals, thousands of different use cases. There was an unintended consequence of this. We had one product, and we started making product decisions based on the feedback we were getting from dozens of different types of customers. And feedback from everybody results in a product that really satisfies nobody. And as a result, we realized we needed to think a bit differently moving forward. As we became obsessed with our customers' problems, we understood with abundant clarity that our job was to get them the data they needed when they needed it, regardless of whether that data comes from a satellite, a drone, or an aircraft. And whether they were a data provider themselves, a GIS specialist, or an enterprise organization, we realized that all of the stakeholders in this remote sensing ecosystem has unique limitations that require unique solutions. So today, we're excited to announce that we're going back to the future. We're building the future by going back to our roots. Today, we are announcing the SkyWatch Platform, a set of services purposely built to make it easier to get remote sensing data into people's hands. The SkyWatch Platform will consist of a core set of these services that not only power our own end user applications, and we'll have more on that soon, but also provide the infrastructure for any developer to easily integrate and sell remote sensing data directly through their own applications. As well as we want to make it easier for data providers to sell their own data, whether that's directly or through other geospatial applications or aggregated marketplaces. Ultimately, the goal of the SkyWatch platform is not just to sell remote sensing data. The goal is to power the growth of the future remote sensing ecosystem by making it easier for data providers to bring their products to market, for developers to integrate that data into their applications so that they can provide it to their customers, and to make it easier for end users to access, manage, and utilize remote sensing data in their everyday workflows. To illustrate the power of the SkyWatch platform, we're going to be announcing 5 of our own applications built directly on top of our platform. The kicker, any one of you can easily replicate those applications, and we welcome you to do so. You see, we don't want to build for every end user. There are experts in each vertical much more suited to doing that. Our goal is to power hundreds of applications in dozens of verticals over the next year, with API services that will allow those applications to easily order, license, manage, and pay for the world's largest inventory of remote sensing data. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Our goal is to build a world where users never have to come to SkyWatch to get their data, because SkyWatch has already come to them in the applications they use every day.